Everyone, Michelle McCarthy here. Welcome back to my channel. Today is week 4 of our Taste of Summer series. Taste of Summer series is a collaboration that I'm hosting with April from The Simple Rugged Path and Claire from Cookie Crumb Fun. For the last 4 weeks, we have shared a recipe with you all with a taste of summer. The first recipe that we did was a summer side. The second was a summer dessert. Third week was a summer drink, and this week we're gonna show you a summer salad. To make sure as you're done watching this video to check that playlist below so you can see all the recipes that we have created since the beginning of July, okay? And also make sure that you check April's and Claire's channel for more amazing recipes and also for some homeschooling inspiration. Okay, so what I'm making today, I am making a lemon balsamic pasta summer salad. Okay, it is really simple. I'm going to show you the ingredients and I'm going to show you how to put it together, and that is it. Okay, so for this pasta salad, we are going to need, I have here a whole box of farfalle or the bow tie noodles. Okay, it's probably going to be way too much for our family, but I made the whole box. Okay, we're going to need about half a cucumber chopped, 2 medium-sized tomatoes chopped, half a cup of parsley, and half a green pepper, okay? And half a cup of feta cheese. Also gonna need a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, which I have here. We are going to use a 1/4 cup of olive oil, a 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar. We're gonna need 1 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, okay? So the first thing we're gonna do, we are going to put our veggies in our big bowl, okay? So we're gonna put the cucumbers in our bowl. So that's about half a cucumber chopped. We're gonna put our chopped tomatoes. I have 2 chopped Roma tomatoes in here. We have half a cup of parsley, and half green pepper chopped, okay? So I'm gonna put all the veggies in here, and we are going to make the dressing, okay? So, and I'm gonna put half a cup of feta cheese in here too, okay? So now we are going to make the dressing. We are going to need, we're gonna start with the olive oil. We're gonna put a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Okay, so that's 1/4 cup. Then we're gonna use a 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar. Okay. Then we're gonna put the 1/4 cup of lemon juice in there. Okay. We're gonna put 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of pepper. So 1 teaspoon of pepper. Okay, and we're gonna use 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Okay, so I have half a tablespoon here. So I'll put 1 and 2. Okay. So we're gonna stir our dressing. And then we are going to pour it over our vegetables, okay? Pour it over our vegetables right here. Smells yummy. I love anything lemon. Lemon is so great for summer things. We're gonna give it a little stir. And I think I'm gonna get a bigger bowl to mix up the pasta. So I'm gonna put the pasta in this bowl. I thought that would be big enough, but it's not gonna be big enough. So I'm gonna put the pasta in this big red bowl, and then I'm gonna pour the vegetables in there, and then I'm gonna stir it, and that's it. Okay, so I put the pasta in this big bowl. I'm gonna put the vegetables in there with the dressing. Sure, get everything in, and we are gonna stir it. And that is it. This looks amazing. It smells amazing. I'm gonna keep it in the refrigerator till it's time to eat. We're gonna have it with some ribeye steaks today. For you that don't know, my husband loves to grill, and he is I call him the grill master. I should have him come in here and make some videos of how to grill because he's pretty amazing. It's hard for me to go to places out to eat or eat with other people's houses because he cooks so well that I start to compare. I shouldn't do that, but I do. He's an amazing. He's the master grill. So we're gonna have that with some ribeye. This with some ribeye tonight. Look how good that looks. It's gonna be yummy. So this is a balsamic lemon summer pasta salad. Okay, and this will go good with everything. I will even consider putting some grilled chicken in here if I had some. But we're gonna have this with steak. You can have this by itself. You can have it as a side or anything you want. Okay. So this is our last Taste of Summer recipe. We had so much fun. Make sure you check that playlist below so you can see all the recipes. You have recipes for desserts and drinks and side items. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Also make sure you check Claire's and April's channel. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I will see you all really soon. Bye.